Data 2. The concrete and the abstract. Usually, people love experiencing concrete matters because it is easy to feel and understand what it is, what they are. Do you really feel the necessity of it? Do you really need to feel? You wish to be so sure whether it is so or not. Data 2. The concrete and the abstract. If you have so many chances experiencing only the concrete, your brain may be dull. Your brain shall be dull. Brain has a certain possibility to be dull. Talking of the quality of your intellectuality, you want to be clear enough in the presence of how you used your brain. Using your brain is a matter of mystery. Every day, every night, you are surrounded by concrete matters. You may be dull to be theoretical. You may be dull to be rational. In the presence of the abstract, your brain must be ready to experience feathery matters, and of course, delicate matters perpetually. To think about the matters of the infinite, I'd like you to imagine and digest the matters deriving from the infinite. This shall be a way for you to be more cerebral. Did you graduate from thinking about dimensionality for your cerebral development? What your need should be all the time? Receiving something, digesting something, and philosophizing what you really need to philosophize. It is a way for you to be a rational being. The abstract transcends any matters deriving from the concrete.